I'm going to show you how to get the mirror and mirror cap off the GRX133 Mark X. I'm pretty sure this also applies for the Crown, GRS204 and possibly the 214. So hopefully this helps people when they're doing the indicator changes. I'll link where I purchased my set from in the description. So if you want to get the exact same set, you can. There's other similar sets as well that also have a ambient blue flashing light. Don't really know the purpose, but I guess it's for rep in Japan or China. So the mirror layout, as you probably will see in one of the clips I put in, I've already done the driver side mirror. Now we're on the passenger side. It's held in at two at the top, and then there's actually two clips at the bottom. So there's two holders and two clips. So all we need to do is loosen these two clips at the base, and this pops out and slides out forward. So this is the back of the actual mirror for reference, but anyone else in the same boat. So what you'll notice, there's also a few screws in here. The only screws that we're going to worry about is this one. I took off this one on the other one just to see if it was important, and I don't think it was. There was no actual screw mount inside the plastic cap on the other side, so that has nothing to do with this. I'm going to unscrew this one because that is one of the back screws for the indicator light itself. And we're just going to push these plastic tabs back, use this trim removal tool, and just very carefully, once again, pry the plastic cap open. I've actually found it easier to get the trim removal tool just in the front of the indicator here, and that's going to help release the tension on these tabs, just like this. You'll see. Beautiful. Now we've got this gap to work with, and we just work our way along. So I'm just going to hold the cap with my left hand. Just going to make sure the tabs inside are good. Tabs, that tabs. Just going to, there we go. So don't need a lot of force. There we go. Alright, so that's the inside tab layout. You'll see they're all still in one piece, so that's a good start. I'm going to finish like that as well. I'm just going to unscrew this one screw here that's helping hold the indicator in. There are two more screws on the other side holding the indicator in from that angle. Right, so we're going to unscrew this one and this one, unplug the harness, and then the new indicator will take its place, and we just do everything in reverse. Alright, we've removed those two screws. Now this should just like that. You'll see that the wires are held in by a little slot that just comes out. Cool. Now I'm going to need two hands for this because this is an old harness. Obviously the car's over 10 years old, so that clip is actually quite stiff. So give me a sec. Alright, that's off. Just going to put this here. Let's grab this one. Just going to make sure this fits nice. Let's put it on the existing mount hole, this one here. Beautiful, look at that. Unreal. Let's grab one of the screws just to lock it in place. Get that one started. Get this one started. Beautiful. I won't do them super tight yet, just while we get the harness in, we'll get it fairly nice. Sorry, I'm trying to look and use the camera at the same time. Apologies for not getting that, but all we've done is just we've screwed in. Not super tight, but tight enough. Now you'll see the plug has that shape. This has the matching shape, so I'm just going to use two hands here. Bang. I'm pretty sure that's in. Give me a sec. Yeah, I thought so. Just press that until you hear a click. That way you know it's in. Just going to tuck this black wire down into there as if it's OEM fitment. Line these wires back up in this gap. Push them back in there. And there we go. Quick Quick test with the key. Beautiful. Let's put everything back together. Something I will note, I've just found out with the left side mirror. So where the screw was previously, you can see where the indicator is now to the right, where there's no mount behind it on the left, whereas the factory indicator had 2 spots. So unless that's something to do across different models and they've used the same indicator just to save costs, as Toyota usually do, that's probably what has happened in this case, but it's mounted quite solidly from the front anyway, so I think we will be fine. Just going to double check. Cool. Just going to make sure these two are nice and tight now, and then I'll put it back together. Putting the lens cap back, the mirror cap back on. Just be very gentle. Once again, just guiding the tabs back into where they were. Cool. Beautiful. That's a good sound. Now that that's back, we'll take off the protection plastic. And that's how it looks. Just gonna awesome. And putting the mirror back on, just pop this out so it's facing up. Sorry, let me put the mirror down. So it's facing up like this. Make sure you're connecting your connectors as well. And because of those vertical clips, what I like. So yeah, just remembering that the holders go in first like so, and then push down to clip. I'm going to use 2 hands for this. Apologies, but I did need 2 hands for that, and you will probably find the same. But once you've got in the top 2, just use the base of your palm just like this and gently push against the top and the bottom at the same time. You'll hear 2 distinct clicks. That way you know it's in. Alrighty, well, that's pretty much done. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps with your Mark X or Crown. That's me done.